Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best ninja Halloween costume for boys, the Spooktacular Creations Halloween Ninja Costume. If you're looking for a high-quality, comfortable, and complete ninja outfit for your little warrior, this costume set has got you covered. Right out of the box, this costume impresses with its attention to detail. It includes a sleek black jumpsuit with an attached hood that really brings the ninja look to life. Along with the jumpsuit, you get a ninja face mask to keep the mystery alive, a belt to tie it all together, and a pair of ninja gloves for those stealthy moves. But that's not all. The set also comes with 2 foam ninja daggers and a foam ninja sword, plus some extra foam accessories to enhance the play experience. The material is soft polyester, designed to be both durable and comfortable, allowing kids to move freely while running around at Halloween parties, festivals, or any dress-up occasion. Its softness means your child won't feel itchy or restricted, and the fabric is easy to care for with simple hand washing recommended to keep it looking fresh. This costume isn't just for Halloween. It's perfect for roleplay, themed birthday parties, school events, and even theater plays. It encourages imagination and active play, transforming your child into a skilled ninja ready for adventure. The design is practical too, easy to wear and take off, which is a big plus when dealing with excited kids eager to get into character quickly. Safety is clearly a priority with this outfit, as the foam weapons are lightweight and child-friendly, allowing kids to play without worry. The set provides everything needed for a full ninja look, so you don't have to buy additional accessories separately. Sizes range from toddler to early teens, making it accessible for a wide age group, and the jumpsuit fits true to size, helping parents choose the right fit without the hassle. The costume's sleek black color and ninja styling are timeless, appealing to kids who love the idea of being stealthy warriors. In summary, the Spooktacular Creations Halloween Ninja Costume offers a complete and comfortable ninja experience that's perfect for boys who want to stand out this Halloween or any dress-up day. From the quality fabric to the included accessories, it's a great value and a fantastic choice for anyone looking for an authentic ninja costume. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you next time.